G'day all, welcome back to Built by Chris. This one is just a quick video to say that I finally hit 1,000 subscribers and I'm chuffed beyond all reproach. Just couldn't be happier. Thank you to every single one of you. You've really made my day. I'm also going to have a giveaway. I'm going to pick a YouTube subscriber at random. When I find out or work out how to do that, I'm going to pick a YouTube subscriber at random and send them a gift. Now, the gift more than likely will be a pen, and I'll probably do a quick video as to how I made that pen so that the subscriber can see their pen being made, and that's what I want to do. So now I just want to go on a little bit further. I've got a new let's call it a tool in my workshop, and that's the one that I'm wearing right now. For as long as I've been making the YouTube channels or the talkie YouTube channels, I've been tethered to my camera with a cable. It was 5 meters long. I could reach to any part of the workshop without having to unplug it, but the thing is I kept tripping over the bloody thing all the time, and there were times when I'd knock the camera over or knock it out of focus, or it was a nightmare. So I finally invested in a wireless microphone. This one's the one from Rode. It's called the Wireless Go, and it's the first time I'm using it, and I'm really happy with the way it's working out. I'm not tethered to my phone anymore. I don't have to worry about unplugging it and then remembering to plug back in again, which is what's happened on a few of my videos. And now I don't have to worry about that anymore. But anyway, the other thing you're probably looking at is this gigantic pile of timber that I got on my workbench. This is my new workbench. You probably can't see it. You're probably seeing a pile of timber and thinking, what the hell is he talking about? But this is my new workbench. These are fairly thick pieces of pine. I was worried about the bench not being heavy enough, but this pile weighs an absolute ton, so I think it's going to be more than heavy enough for my workbench. Plus it's going to be a lot smaller than this one. This is the one I'm going to be replacing. It just takes up too much room in the workshop. As good as it's been over the last couple of years, I just can't afford the space anymore. So I'm going to make myself a smaller workbench. This one's going to have a vise on it as well, and it won't take up as much room. That's the main gist of the whole thing now. So I'm going to make a video of this as well, but it's going to be a part video because it'll just take too long to go through and make the whole bench in one sitting. So that's going to be my next video. But anyway, just wanted to let everybody know that I'm finally at 1,000 subscribers, and I never thought I'd ever get there when I first started this journey. So again, from the heart, I thank you all, and I hope you all stick around and make my channel even better. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you all on the next one. Bye for now.